In this video, I am going to show you how to set deep link fallbacks in Adalo. Deep link fallbacks are used when a user opens a link to a specific screen in your app, such as a product page, but cannot access it as expected. This usually happens when the user is not logged in, when required data is missing, or when the item linked to no longer exists. Instead of showing a blank or broken screen, you can redirect the user to a fallback page that clearly explains what to do next. This setup can be applied to any deep link in your app, including product detail pages, category pages, or even main listing screens. In this example, I am using my product's main page to demonstrate the process, but the same logic works everywhere. When I open the app preview and choose to continue without logging in, you can see that I am still able to scroll through the products page. This confirms that users who are not logged in can currently access this screen, which may not be ideal depending on how your app is designed. To control this behavior, the first step is to create a fallback screen. Click on the plus icon on the left side of your screen, select New Screen, give it a name, and create it. After that, design the screen in a way that guides the user clearly. In my case, I add a simple header, remove any unnecessary elements, and set the heading text to something like Sign in to shop. Below that, I include a short description explaining that users need to log in or sign up to continue. I then add two buttons, one for logging in and one for signing up, and link both buttons to the login screen since I am using a single authentication screen in this app. Once the fallback screen is ready, go back to the screen where you want to apply the deep link fallback. Open the Actions panel for that screen, add a new link action, and select the fallback screen you just created. You can add a transition if you want to keep the navigation smooth. After that, click on Show Advanced and set the condition to Sometimes. This is where you define the exact situation in which users should be redirected. In my example, I hover over More, select Logged In User, choose ID, and set the condition to is equal to empty. This condition means that if no user is logged in, the app will automatically redirect the person to the fallback screen. In other situations, such as a product details page, you can use a different condition. For example, you can check whether the current product is empty, which ensures that users are redirected if the product no longer exists or cannot be loaded. After setting everything up, open the app preview again from the top right corner. Now, when someone opens the products page or a deep link without being logged in, they are immediately redirected to the fallback screen and prompted to log in or sign up before continuing. By using this approach, you can prevent broken experiences and guide users smoothly through your app. And this is how you can set deep link fallbacks in Adalo.